Minecraft Java Edition just got its first pre-release for 26.2. It's Tuesday, May 26th, and here are the changes. So we've got a change to the Sulfur Cube mob. Small Sulfur Cubes now have an updated model and texture. The Sulfur Cube now has unique hit and push sounds for each archetype. There's some changes to the Sulfur Caves biome. Updated the fog color in the Sulfur Caves. Bedrock will match this color later. Reduced the max growth length of the Sulfur spikes. So we've got a change for the potent sulfur. The continuous geyser setup now requires a source lava block to erupt. They changed something with the sounds, updated hurt and death sounds for one of the chicken sound variants. Small Sulfur Cube now have sounds playing when being fed with slime balls. We've got a UI change. The friend list button is now always visible, even if the feature is disabled in the options. We've got two technical changes. So they've updated the data pack version to 106.1 and the resource pack version to 88.0. Couple of server properties having to do with chat spam and all the different options that you can use for kick and whatnot have you. So we've also got, like I said, the data pack version is 106.1. So they've added the Sulfur Cube archetype registry. So they've added a couple fields, sound settings, hit sound, push sound, impulse threshold, push sound cooldown. They've added a commands. The execute on owner command will now consider Vexes as owned by their evoker. World presets added a new Minecraft flat all dimensions world preset. This preset does not show up by default in the create world screen, so you'll have to search that out. So again, resource pack version is now on 88.0. They changed something with the block sprites, renamed block quartz pillar.png and block /purpur underscore pillar.png to append underscore side as a suffix. They've changed some entity textures, added new entity textures for the Sulfur Cube. They've added and removed some sounds, removed sounds for Sulfur Cube. The hit, the push they've removed, and they've added sounds for the different archetypes of the Sulfur Cube. Light hit, light push, fast sliding, etc., etc. They fixed 32 different bugs with this, and if you want to go and check out the codes on the bug tracker, here they all are. It looks like a lot of them are pretty significant bug fixes. So yeah, check out 26.2 pre-release 1 for the Java edition. And if you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.